Hello, good morning. It's Mike KF4BOG. Well, today, I should say, we're going to talk about the new Hams over IP website that was released yesterday afternoon. It went live. It's a lot different compared to the previous website that they have. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and bring the website up for you so that you could see it. Let's go to camera one. All right, there we go. And we have the new Hams over IP website. Very nice, I should say it definitely bounces out more. It's got a lot more flair. Um, I love the new logo that they put up for it. It's very nice. Hams over IP, the next generation of ham radio VoIP. A modern community-driven platform of VoIP that allows ham operators to connect, communicate, and collaborate worldwide. It's an interesting concept. Um, you could submit a ticket, donate to the project, join the Discord. Platform features, integrated BLF. So yeah, you could actually, if you have a sidecar, you can put BLF in there, which is really nice. I like that. Multiple endpoints. So if you have more than one phone, you can use your same extension with more than one device, which is really nice. Ham Shack Hotline only allowed, I think it was like 3 or 5 endpoints with theirs, which I was still a member of Ham Shack Hotline, so I kind of knew what the deal was with that. Um, AIX and SIP trunks, so you could actually um, get a trunk system installed where people can click on, where people dial your trunk extension and it gives you multiple options to choose from. Conference bridges, yeah, you can host a group conference, QSOs and nets, club meetings with a dedicated, easy to use conference bridge for individuals and organizations. Ring groups, I have not tried this yet. Um, I've never tried the ring groups thing yet. I'll have to find out more about the ring groups thing. Um, this here, modern security, I don't know. I'm kind of curious. Um, with robust account controls, I'm wondering about that. Really, there's a lot of things. That's the one thing I do want to find out more about, though. Um, the phone book has a new My BLF feature, which allows you to store your favorite contacts. It lets you store your contacts in here, so you could see I've got. I don't know what it is, but I like having my call sign up there to make sure that the BLF is working. So that's probably part of the reason why I put my call sign in there. And I've got all the hams that I regularly talk to on the my BLF page and everything, which is really cool. When using Firefox, make sure you select the Remember History button. Otherwise, your information will not save when you close the browser up. So that's very important. Extensions is just like it says. These are all the extensions um, that Hams over IP has. They still got a lot of stuff to do with it. As you could tell, a lot of the extensions are grayed for some reason. I think they're still working on it. They're gradually fixing things as time goes on. Active BLF does just like it says it does. It shows you who's actually on it um, and everything. So, in addition to having the light up sidecar, you can look at this and it will tell you who's actually on there. They're still making a lot of tweaks to it, so I think it's going to be a little bit before that gets up and going again. Conferences, you can see there's nobody in the conferences, but if I use this full list, option, you could see a list of all of the conference rooms that are available. I'm going to go ahead and check that box back. All-star nodes, these are all the all-star nodes that are connected to the system right now. There's a lot of them. Mine is on here as well, in case you're wondering. 15138 is my all-star node extension. If you're wanting to connect to my all-star node and share it with other people so that you can connect and stuff like that and have fun. So, but yeah, my extension is on here. 10158 is my hams over IP extension, but my all-star node is 580980. So if you want to connect to my all-star node directly, you can. So that's kind of a really cool feature of that. Audio channels, it's just like it was on the old site. And I actually worked with another ham operator to put our local police department on here. So if you ever want to know what's going on in Huntsville's police department, you can now find that out on 937. That's 90037 is the extension for our local PD here in Huntsville. So there's a lot you can do. The ticket system is the same ticket system. So like if you need to submit a ticket, you can click on this and it will bring up the ticket system. You can donate to the project, like I said earlier in the video, or you can join the Discord and communicate directly with them. The Discord has been very busy. Let's see, can I connect to the Discord using my thing, or do I have to, let's see. Okay, it's going to let me connect to the Discord too, so that's good. The Hams Over IP Discord page is very active. There's always something going on this. I'm actually on this all the time to communicate or whatever with Hams Over IP administrators, and it really does help if you have a guy that you talk with on occasion and they want to know what's going on. If you're experiencing an issue, they do want to know what's going on. To me, this is the best way to communicate with them. You know, they recommend, yeah, you send a ticket into them, but to me, this is the best way to get in touch with them because they're always communicating via Discord. And it's got the different things, like you can have LDAP support for, like, if you're wanting to set up LDAP, there's an option for that. There's an option for regular support in here. So if you have a question about, you know, general support, audio feed support, they do have that. So if you have a question about an audio feed, you can put that in. You can also report if an audio feed is not working, which is what they recommend you use this channel for here, is to report if there's a issue with an audio feed. And like I said, they got a support channel as well, so that, you know, you could basically go in and post a thing on there related to the service. But I mostly use the, main lobby most of the time to support, you know, to post anything related to the support. So it's kind of a nice thing to have in general. But if you haven't checked out the all-new hamsoverip.com website, check it out. It's a great site, and hope to see you all again in the near future here. And be sure to reach out to me at 1015 or connect to my All-Star node and bring your friends. 73s, everyone. Have a good one.